Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss some common color issues you may encounter and some tips on how to resolve them. For today's video I would like to direct your attention to our knowledge base article on this subject. This article can be accessed at any time through the Sawgrass website if needed, but for today we will go through each tip step by step. If you are noticing dull or incorrect color output after pressing your design, the first question to ask yourself is if you are printing your projects with Sawgrass Print Utility. Sawgrass Print Utility will ensure that your colors are properly represented when printing. It will also allow you to apply different color modes to your project. If projects are not sent to Print Utility, the proper settings will not be applied, and your output may experience some issues. The next thing to consider is what design software you are using. Different design programs do have different default color settings. I recommend referring to our knowledge articles explaining how to properly set those color settings. We have articles to assist for both Mac and Windows users. If you are still experiencing any issues, I recommend that you print a nozzle check and a primary chart to make sure there is no blockage in the print nozzles. If nozzles or colors are missing, try performing head cleans and head flushes to clear out the blockage. If that does not work, you may also want to clean the capping station. Performing these maintenance steps does use ink, so please perform each step one at a time and then check to see if the issue was solved. Another thing to check is if your ink is expired. Sawgrass inks do have expiration dates and color shifts can happen when ink has reached that date. Cartridge expiration dates are located at the end of the cartridge as you open the ink door of your printer. Some final things to consider is making sure your image is using RGB rather than CMYK profiles, as certain CMYK profiles may not be correctly replicated in Sawgrass Print Utility. You should also make sure you are using the correct side of the sublimation paper. Sublimation papers are typically coated on one side and blank on the other. Make sure the coated side is loaded face down into the printer. The last thing to ensure is that you are always using genuine Sawgrass inks. Sawgrass inks are optimized to print the correct color profiles with your Sawgrass printer. Third-party inks are not compatible and can cause further issues with your printer. If you are still experiencing issues after taking these steps, please contact our care team by clicking the support button on our website. That's all for today. See you next time.